Hey guys, Carrie50 here with the third video for Project BeyBattle. This time, as requested by 2 users, it'll be Lightning L-Drago versus Storm Pegasus. So, launcher is ready. Setting up. L-Drago goes first. Let it rip. And Storm Pegasus wins. Round 2. Storm Pegasus goes first. Leverage. Storm Pegasus wins. Round 3. Alright. Set up. Let it rip. And L-Drago wins. Final round to decide. That's it. And by bouncing out of the Sabian, Storm Pegasus is the winner. So, gathering the 2 up. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.